Hey everybody, Joe from JO Builds here. Today I was at Home Depot. I had some gift cards that were going to expire, some store credit that's going to expire. So I ended up buying a new angle grinder. I have one 7-inch, which is kind of big. It's also corded, so it's big, heavy, kind of a pain in the butt to whenever I have to use it. So I figured pick up the angle grinder, the 4.5-inch. Ridgid is all the tools I have, so I already have batteries for them. See what it is, so we're going to unbox it, check it out. So like I said, I already had all the batteries, so I just bought the tool. You can also get the kit that comes with the angle grinder, battery, all that. But like I said, I just got the tool here. So decent weight, not too bad. Got the handle. Must be the trigger there. Instructions. There's the blade. So I like that. That's a nice easy button to push to hold the bit in place. Just do unscrew. Put collar on. And then I'll probably be doing the wire wheel, so I'm not going to tighten this up very tight right now. I'm just going to put it on snug enough that I can try it out. Battery. There we go. That's why you want to tighten it up when you're actually using it. But has some good speed, nice little quick release to move this around. Cool, so this will be a good little tool for the shop. Like I said, I use a lot of Ridgid tools. I like them. They have a warranty on them. So if you're looking for a new tool, I recommend Ridgid. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well for other projects we're doing. See you guys next time.